In today's video, I am going to teach you how to buy Telegram Premium with Ton Coin on Fragment. Before we begin, make sure you are set up with a non-custodial Ton wallet, such as Tonkeeper or the Telegram wallet, and that you have enough Ton to cover the subscription plus a small network fee. Open your wallet app, confirm your balance, and ensure it's updated to the latest version so the connection process goes smoothly. Next, open your browser and go to fragment.com/premium. This is the official Fragment page for Premium, and it's designed to work directly with the Ton blockchain. Take a second to verify the URL so you know you are on the correct site. On the page, choose the option to connect your wallet by clicking Connect Ton. You'll see a QR code. Now switch to your wallet app and use its built-in scanner to scan that code. A prompt will appear asking you to approve the connection. Always review the domain shown in your wallet and only approve if it matches fragment.com. You should never share your seed phrase or private keys at any point. Connecting simply authorizes your wallet to interact with the site. Once connected, you'll be asked to specify which Telegram account should receive Premium. Enter the username of that account, including the @ symbol. Double-check the spelling to avoid sending Premium to the wrong user. The username links the subscription to the correct profile, so accuracy here really matters. At this stage, Fragment requires mandatory identity verification, also known as KYC. Follow the on-screen instructions, which may include submitting a government-issued ID and a quick selfie. Keep your documents handy and ensure you have good lighting and a stable internet connection. This process is handled by trusted verification providers and is required before you can complete the purchase. With verification done, choose your subscription duration: 3, 6, or 12 months. The cost in Ton will be displayed. Review the amount, then proceed to pay. Your wallet will prompt you to sign the transaction. Check the total. Note any network fee, and then approve the transaction within your wallet. After you confirm, give the blockchain a moment to process. You can usually watch the status in your wallet. Once the transaction is confirmed, Telegram Premium will activate on the username you specified. Look for the Premium star in features like increased limits, faster downloads, and advanced customization. If it doesn't appear right away, try restarting Telegram or checking your transaction history to confirm it went through. And that's it. Thanks for watching.